Ever wondered if there's a sustainable way to reduce your water bills and help the environment? Welcome to the world of rainwater harvesting, a practice as old as human civilization, but with fresh relevance in our modern, eco-conscious world. Harnessing the power of Mother Nature, rainwater harvesting allows us to capture, store, and utilize rainwater, providing an excellent alternative to our reliance on municipal water supplies. Today, we'll be focusing on creating a rain roof, a simple yet effective rainwater harvesting system you can set up at home. The beauty of a rain roof lies in its simplicity. It involves a few key components: a rain barrel or storage tank, gutters and downspouts, PVC pipes and connectors, a mesh screen, and pipe thread sealant. These materials are readily available and easy to assemble, making rain roof an ideal project for DIY enthusiasts and sustainability advocates alike. The process of setting up a rain roof is straightforward. First, we install gutters and downspouts on the roof to collect rainwater. This rainwater is then directed into a storage tank or rain barrel using PVC pipes and connectors. A mesh screen is installed at the top of the barrel to keep out debris and insects, and pipe thread sealant is applied to the connections to prevent leaks. Once installed, a rain roof provides a steady supply of high-quality water, perfect for watering plants, washing cars, or even filling pools. And the environmental impact? Well, that's where the true magic lies. By harvesting rainwater, we reduce our dependence on strained water resources, contributing to water conservation and environmental sustainability. Maintenance is key to ensure optimal performance. Regularly cleaning the gutters and screen help prevent blockages, keeping your rain roof in top shape for years to come. Ready to dive into the world of rainwater harvesting? Stay with us as we guide you through each step of installing your very own rain roof. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet, one raindrop at a time. Before we start, gather all the necessary materials to make the installation process smooth. As we embark on the journey of setting up a rain roof, having the right tools and materials at hand is crucial. The first item on our list is a rain barrel or a storage tank. This will be your main reservoir for storing the harvested rainwater. The size of the barrel will depend on your water usage and the amount of rainfall you receive in your region. Next, we need gutters and downspouts. These will be installed on your roof to collect and channel the rainwater into your storage tank. Ensure that the gutters are wide and the downspouts are sturdy enough to handle the water flow. Moving on, we have PVC pipes and connectors. These are essential for connecting the downspouts to your rain barrel. Make sure that the pipes and connectors are of good quality to avoid leakage and ensure a long-lasting setup. A mesh screen is another key component. This will be situated at the top of the rain barrel to filter out debris, leaves, and insects, keeping your collected water clean and clear. Last but not least, we require pipe thread sealant. This will be used to seal the connections between the pipes, connectors, and the rain barrel, ensuring that there are no leaks and that the water flows smoothly into your storage tank. These are the basic materials you'll need for your rain roof setup. Remember, quality is key when choosing these materials. Investing in good quality items will ensure a durable and efficient system that will serve you for many years to come. Now that we have all our materials ready, let's move on to the installation process. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps of setting up your very own rainwater harvesting system. With a little effort and time, you'll be on your way to reaping the benefits of this sustainable practice before you know it. The first step in our process is installing gutters and downspouts on your roof. This is a crucial part of the rain roof system, as it's responsible for collecting and directing the rainwater into your storage tank or rain barrel. Now let's start with the gutters. These are essentially channels that will capture the rainwater running off your roof. They are typically made of vinyl, aluminum, or steel, and come in various shapes and sizes. Choose the one that suits your needs and aesthetic preferences best. Installation is fairly straightforward. Begin by attaching gutter brackets to the fascia of your roof, ensuring they are level and evenly spaced. Once the brackets are secured, you can go ahead and install the gutters, making sure they slope slightly towards the downspouts for optimal water flow. Next, we'll focus on the downspouts. These are vertical pipes that will transport the collected rainwater from the gutters to your storage tank or rain barrel. Similar to gutters, downspouts are available in different materials and sizes. It's important to choose a size that can handle the volume of rainwater your roof is likely to collect. When installing downspouts, start by cutting a hole in the gutter at the location where you want to install the downspout. Then, attach the downspout to the gutter using screws or rivets, and secure it to the side of your house with brackets. Remember to place a downspout elbow at the bottom to guide the water into your rain barrel or storage tank. As you can see, installing gutters and downspouts is not as daunting as it may seem. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can easily set up an efficient rainwater collection system on your roof. Great job on installing the gutters and downspouts. Let's move to the next step. Now that our gutters and downspouts are in place, we need to connect them to our rain barrel. This is an important step in our rainwater harvesting system, as it enables the rainwater to flow into our storage tank. The key here is to ensure a secure and leak-free connection between the downspouts and the rain barrel. Let's start by positioning our rain barrel beneath the downspout. Ensure it's on a flat, stable surface. Now, using a hacksaw, we're going to cut the downspout about a foot above the top of the rain barrel. This cut should be straight and clean, so take your time to get it right. Next, we'll need our PVC pipes and connectors. We're going to attach a 90-degree elbow connector to the cut end of the downspout. This will redirect the flow of water into our rain barrel. Now measure the distance from the elbow connector to the top of the rain barrel. Cut a piece of PVC pipe to this length, ensuring again that the cut is clean and straight. This pipe will act as a conduit, guiding the rainwater into our barrel. Next, we'll connect the PVC pipe to the elbow connector on the downspout. It's essential that this connection is secure, so we'll use a PVC cement to bond them together. Apply the cement to the inside of the elbow connector and the outside of the PVC pipe. Then press them together and hold for a few seconds to allow the bond to set. We will then position the other end of the PVC pipe over the rain barrel. Make sure it's aiming directly into the barrel's opening. With that, we've successfully connected our downspouts to the rain barrel. This system will now direct rainwater from our roof, down the gutters and downspouts, and into our rain barrel, ready for us to use in a variety of ways. With the downspouts securely connected to the rain barrel, we're ready for the next step. The next steps are crucial to ensure the quality of the collected water and prevent leaks. We're now going to focus on installing a mesh screen and applying sealant, two essential components for a successful rainwater harvesting system. The mesh screen serves as a barrier, keeping unwanted debris and insects from entering our rain barrel. The sealant, on the other hand, ensures a leak-free connection, crucial for maintaining the integrity of our system. Let's start with the mesh screen installation. You'll want to secure the mesh screen at the top of your rain barrel. It's important to choose a sturdy, rust-resistant mesh that can withstand various weather conditions. The mesh should be fine enough to keep out insects and debris, but not so tight as to restrict the flow of water. Once you've chosen your mesh, simply secure it over the opening of your rain barrel. Make sure it fits snugly and covers the entire opening. Next, we'll move on to applying the pipe thread sealant. This is a crucial step to ensure a leak-free system. Pipe thread sealant is a substance used to prevent water and air leaks in threaded pipe connections. Start by applying a generous amount of sealant on the threads of your PVC pipes and connectors that link your downspouts to the rain barrel. Ensure the sealant covers all the threads for a tight, waterproof seal. Once you've applied the sealant, connect the parts together and give them a good twist. This will distribute the sealant evenly and help create a secure, leak-free connection. And there you have it. With the mesh screen in place and the sealant applied, we've taken crucial steps to ensure our rainwater harvesting system is both efficient and durable. These steps will help keep your collected rainwater clean and ensure that your system is leak-free, providing you with a reliable source of water for various uses. Now our rain barrel is ready to collect rainwater without any leaks or debris. Now that we've installed our rain roof, let's talk about how to maintain it. Keeping your rain roof in top shape isn't a tough task, but it does require some regular attention. Here are some essential tips to help you keep your rainwater harvesting system working efficiently. Firstly, it's crucial to clean your gutters and downspouts regularly. Over time, leaves, twigs, and other debris can accumulate in your gutters, causing blockages and preventing rainwater from flowing into your storage tank. To avoid this, make it a habit to clear out any debris from your gutters at least once every few months. Secondly, don't forget about the mesh screen on top of your rain barrel. This screen plays a vital role in keeping unwanted elements out of your water supply. It can become clogged over time, impacting the water flow. So, ensure you give it a good clean regularly. Now let's talk about the storage tank or rain barrel. Over time, sediment can build up at the bottom of your tank. This can affect the quality of the water and potentially damage the tank. To prevent this, it's recommended to drain and clean your tank at least once a year. Also, it's important to regularly check your system for leaks. Remember the sealant we applied to the connections? It's there to prevent leaks, but over time it could wear down. So keep an eye out for any signs of leakage and reapply sealant if necessary. Lastly, don't forget to monitor the water quality. Even though rainwater is typically clean, it can still pick up pollutants from the atmosphere or the roof surface. Therefore, if you plan to use the harvested rainwater for household purposes, consider getting it tested periodically to ensure it's safe to use. With these maintenance tips, your rain roof will function optimally for a long time. It's all about being proactive and keeping a close eye on your system. So roll up those sleeves and let's keep that rain roof in tip-top shape. So we've learned how to install a rain roof and maintain it. But what's next, you may ask? Well, it's time to take action and start your own rainwater harvesting project. Imagine this. Instead of watching precious rainwater simply flow away, you can capture it, store it, and utilize it. You'll be able to water your beloved plants, wash your car, or even fill your pool with high-quality water, and all without incurring any additional costs. Not only will this help you save on your water bills, but it also contributes significantly to preserving our planet's most vital resource. By harvesting rainwater, you're actively participating in water conservation, a key step towards sustainable living. And remember, this isn't a project just for the DIY enthusiasts. Anyone can embark on this rainwater harvesting adventure. All it takes is a little time, effort, and the will to make a positive impact on the environment. Of course, we know that starting a new project can seem daunting, but with the detailed guide we've provided, you're already well equipped to take on this challenge. From selecting the right materials to understanding the installation process, you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. So why wait? Why not start today? Let's turn this knowledge into action and contribute towards a greener, more sustainable world. Remember, every drop of water counts, and every step you take towards sustainability matters. Why not start today and make a positive impact on the planet? We hope that you have found this guide on rainwater harvesting helpful. It has been our pleasure to walk you through this process, and we can't wait to hear about your own rainwater harvesting experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly tips and projects like Rain Roof. Together, we can make a world of difference.